All right, all right. Welcome, guys. Okay, so today I want to talk about how you, as a local business owner, can get more clients into your business. Now, think about it in the sense to let's say you're HVAC, right, or you are a what do you call it, a real estate agent, or you are a local service, home remodeling, home repair, whatever service it may be, right? You see, majority of business owners know the service. Like, let's say you are a handyman, right? You know how to do the handy service, but you don't know how to get the clients to come to you, right? So majority of people will, because when I do all the demo calls, majority of people come in and they're like, okay, well, what do I do? And I'm like, being genuinely honest with you is you can go out there and pay a marketing agency $2,000-3,000 a month to manage your ads, and then you pay another $3,000-4,000 a month to run them, to get Google to now go ahead and find those people to you for you. Which now you're looking at about 7 to 10 grand, just give or take, if you want to actually invest in marketing. But here's a very easy technique and easy tip that you can follow right now to go ahead and increase your basically get Google to get you people for free. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a free technique of how you can get more people to your business, and that is something called Google My Business. Right now, Google My Business, right, is I like to think about Google My Business as Google's version of social media. But Google is not a social media platform in the sense as to it doesn't have user bases that, they share cat videos and people like and stuff. Google My Business is very intentional because Google understands that your audience is pretty much, they are a search network, right? So people are searching for things. So they're like, okay, so they want to help the businesses out. Now, this is how Google My Business pretty much works. Let me see if I can pull this up right now for you. Now, I'm going to search for, in the location I'm in right now, HVAC repair near me. All right, I'm going to search HVAC repair near me. Okay, so I'm going to search for this. So I want you to look at this, right? You see the services right here, right? You can see Google, what do you call it? Google guaranteed, Google guaranteed, Google guaranteed. This is also sponsored content as well. Okay, I want you to look at this. So here is one way in which you can get your business right here. This is all Google My Businesses. This is all pretty much local businesses right here. 18,000 reviews, 758 reviews. NASCAR Heating and Cooling has 217 reviews. They've been in business for 60 plus years, so of course they have almost 20,000 reviews. Now, your brand new business, right? Or you've been in the business for a while, but you're not really socially marketing at all. How do you, as a business owner, get more people there? That's where you use the tool called Google My Business. So all you simply do is you register your business on Google. Okay, you create a profile, you register your business on Google. Once you've gone ahead and register your business and create a Google My Business, okay, you create a Google My Business profile. Okay, GMB listing. You go ahead and that's a SEMrush right here. Google Business Profile. You come up here and you get listed on Google right here. All right. Waiting on my screen to load. Okay. So you come up here to the link, google.com/business/business. You go ahead and sign in and you just, or manage now, whichever one you do, and go ahead and create a Google My Business account like this. Now, creating the account is the first step. Once you create the account, the second thing that you want to do is you want to get verified. Okay. You're going to get verified. Once you get verified, the third thing, and this is very crucial, very, very important, you need reviews. So typically, if you have less than 5 reviews, Google will not recommend your business. Okay. Google will not recommend your business to anybody. Google will not recommend you to basically anyone. They don't see you as a very credible business because Google innately want to recommend businesses that are, sorry guys, water break. Google wants to recommend businesses that are, for the most part, credible, right? And for your business to be considered credible, Google looks at your reviews. I can tell you this, guys. When we started, we had 0 reviews. Google didn't really do much. And when I really started taking reviews seriously, I want to go ahead and give you guys an example. Okay, this is let me go ahead and go into, so I went ahead and connected my GMB to one of our test accounts. And I'm going to go into my dashboard. And what I want to do right now on the dashboard is I'm going to share this with you. Okay. So right here, we have here 827 interactions, 30 search views, 638 map interactions, 1 actions on website visits, right? Now, we're not really optimized for Google My Business because we're not really a local business, but we are, since we're situated out of Florida, we're getting a lot of businesses that are actually we're actually getting a lot of impressions, okay? So right now, 638 map views, 30 search views, 827 total interactions. This is just on Google My Business. And I have not ran any Google My Business ads. Majority of our ads has just been local search campaign ads or performance max campaigns or, standalone YouTube campaigns. But as far as just like anything to, show up make the business show up, like, let me see. I think I went out of that tab, but for the most part, you get the idea, right? So what I would recommend for you right now as a local business, as a business owner, is this. Just do the steps. Step 1, you go to the tab right here. It's google.com/business. Step 1 is you create a Google My Business account. Right after you create a Google My Business account is second thing, you get verified. They send you a letter in the mail. You verify your actual business. You get a blue check once you do. Once you verify your business, you get reviews. Very important. You get at least 5 reviews. Now, how do you get the reviews? That's pretty much up to you. I would recommend, if you've been in business for a while, reach out to your old clients and get your old clients to reach out to review. Some people tell your friends and family. Honestly, it's up to you how you get the reviews, but you need 5 reviews. Once you get 5 reviews, Google will do its magic. And then you can also pretty much run sponsored content. Just put like $50 to $100. Just put $100 in. Okay. Or if you're a brand new Google Ads advertiser, if you spend $500, Google will give you $500 free advertising. Okay. So which basically means now you have $1,000 in ad spend. And I can almost guarantee you this. Okay. Is if you are in an environment or in a location that does not have a strong competition, your phone is going to be ringing. So that's basically a simple thing you can do. It's just basically set up a Google My Business account. And then here's the thing is, another thing is Google My Business, since it's just like a social media for Google, your customers have the ability to chat with you, request a quote. And whenever they go ahead and chat with you and request a quote, you can go ahead inside of your Ryzen results dashboard. When you go into your Ryzen account right here, let me go ahead and switch it up here. Inside of your Ryzen dashboard, right here, conversations, you have the ability right here in the conversations tab to pretty much, you can go ahead and you can in the conversations tab, you can pretty much go ahead here and 1 second. You have the ability right here to pretty much manage. You can go ahead and actually converse with them and actually talk to the people. You can actually manage your Google My Business chat inside of your Ryzen results dashboard. So I absolutely recommend that. If you're starting a brand new business, is just use your create a Google My Business account and then just run, put $500 in it and claim extra $500 in ads credit. And listen, it's a no-brainer that you're going to get more people into your business. But the most important thing, I'm going to say this, the make or break sauce is reviews. Okay? Because if you can get enough reviews, Google will recommend you. And 2, when people go to book with you, think about it. When you shop on Amazon, what do? You look at reviews. Reviews is very, very important. Okay? And if you already a Ryzen Results user, you want to get more reviews, just come up here to Reputation on the Reputations tab right here. I'm going to go ahead now. Let me go ahead and get my fancy pen that I just realized I can use. Right here, Reputation tab right here. Okay? That's the tab you want to go to. You come up here to Reputation. And when you come up here to Reputation, okay, this is a demo account. You're just going to go ahead and send a review request. Pick your customer name, type that out, send the request in, and then the reviews are going to start to populate. There's not going to be any review here because this is a demo account. But that's pretty much it. I legit just gave you a free tip for how you can go ahead and grow your business. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about it, what you guys think about Google My Business, and what are the current marketing tools that you're currently using. And I will see you guys on a future video. And for that, I say enjoy.